everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the date format in Google Sheet using 3 easy methods. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Google Chrome and then open your spreadsheet. Inside here, select the cells with your dates, for example, A1 to A8. Now once it is selected, tap on Format, then tap on Number, and now simply tap on Date. Just like that, this will change your date to the default date format for your region. Method number 2 is custom date and time format. With the same cell selected, tap on Format again, then tap on Number. Now inside here, simply tap on custom date and time, and now choose your preferred format like DD, MM, YY, month, day, year, or even weekdays format. Once you have done that, tap onto it, then tap and apply. Just like that, it is now changed. So, the last method is using the query formula. You can use a formula to apply a custom format, and here's how. In an empty cell, you want to go ahead and simply type in equals query A1 is to A8, select star format A, DDMMYY, which refers to day, month, year format. And that's it. That is how you can change date format in Google Sheet using inbuilt tools or formula. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.